कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना तो पड़ता है, तो आज शुरुआत करें वैसे।
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू दिस न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ मार्केट क्या लगता है। एंड दिस वाज अ फैंटास्टिक वीक इन बोथ द इंडाइसेस, especially indices more than stocks. And let's take a quick summary of what was my today morning's message was like. So let's quickly go to WhatsApp group. You can also catch this message on Twitter with the handle of growth model. So that can also be one way by which you can stay connected every day. So market क्या लगता है, we are talking about this particular day today, that is Friday 6th of August 2021. And in this week, Nifty targets of 16,001 as we broke above the range of 15,800. Then it was very quick, 16,100 ka target got completed. Then the next target in line was 16,202 and 16,257. The first and the third target was there in the market kya lagta hai for last 3 to 4 weeks, and we are consistently talking about a bullish bias in this series of video for the last entire month, I believe. Bank Nifty targets, though it was a very laggard, but then it gave the rapid or super euphoric move in a single day. And Bank Nifty targets also of 35,535, 35,754 and 36,068 are completed. Now, after these targets are completed, in a way, Nifty and Bank Nifty, both these indices, they have started to consolidate a bit. And as a result of that, the range for the day today was defined as 16,300 and 16,200, which is here, and Bank Nifty range is 36,000 and 35,500. One important bit that I have mentioned here is with these targets, the major bullish move is done for me as of now. See, you can have a different view on market and let us respect each other's view. I feel that a major bullish move here is over in indices, both the indices, Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, and we might see some kind of a consolidation. Does that mean it's a sign or it's a message or it's a advisory to sell futures or buy put options? No, we will go by the confirmation of the trade, and that's how the trading has to be, right? So today's price move in indices will be critical for coming week. We got a consolidation today, not a dramatic kind of a bearish move or not a dramatic kind of a bullish move. So no equity picks for today for this coming week, and fresh review about equity desk will be done on Monday. But what's the amazing move in Adani Enterprises today, and let us take a understanding about how this Adani could have been traded. So there was a participant who traded actually Adani Enterprises, but more interestingly, what has happened during the day, क्या क्या किया है आज. So it was Friday's message. So this is Friday. This is my message. Friday is good day for profit booking. Why I'm saying so? Reason is Aarti Bhattacharya trading in Jubilant Foodworks. So Aarti was trading in Jubilant Foodworks. This is our trail of messages. Partially exited Jubilant Foodworks at close to 32% profit. This is Aarti's message. Had entered in April. Study shared in the group that was I was in at that point in time. Reason for exit, targets achieved. Trailing profits for the rest of the shares. We had calculated this trade, the target for Jubilant Foodworks, and it was around 3,770. And it was a good consistent trade. Aarti trades in equity with a sizable quantity. So the profit figures are amazing. And that's a consistent thing. Anybody can do it. You just have to understand how these things work and you have to just go ahead with the conviction. So this was my message. I was suggesting that this was the target 3770 for Jubilant Foodworks, and Aarti is replying the target reached yesterday but wasn't trading, so booked today. Friday is a good day to book profit. That reminds me, Friday is always a good day to book profits, but along with profit booking, always remember to take out a timely payout, right? So week ending May or after a completion of a good trading day or a month, whenever you feel like, you have to take out a payout. That is far more important thing, as equal as making profits. So this is one thing. Then I want to draw your attention to one more trade about option selling. So we trade a lot about options currently, option selling, and this is an answer. Now this growth model prime forum is something like, it's a communication between different participants as well. So it's a learning all the time. They keep on talking about different things here. So here a participant Shailesh is asking, Ravindra, one question here, why did you sold 1400 put options instead of going for a ATM strike? So he's answering, option selling, we need to sell out of the money strikes just to be on the safer side. Ravindra sold little deep out of the money options is like a free money, right? It's like a free money, and he received a premium of 10,000 rupees in this trade, which is like a free money. किसको पसंद नहीं है 10,000 रुपये जो free money है? And that is what we learn in our module 3, how to tap, how to get this free money, and this is how the trade has to be. It has to be in a relaxed manner. One more trade which I want to show you. This is Terence Fernandez, sold Bank Nifty 35,900 call from 400 to 290 and 36,000 call options from 380 to 230, holding one leg of straddle 15,900 CE, and MTM loss reduced in last 2 days. Due to euphoric action in Nifty the other day, there was a chaos in straddles, but now the straddles are settling, and some ATM straddles are even giving some better profits right now. So this is how these things are happening. Consistently people are trading, and these trades are helping them to generate consistent profits, right? Coming to Nifty, this is a weekly chart of Nifty, and how beautiful this candle looks. A 3.5% ka candle in Bank Nifty. In Nifty it is just 3%. Okay, so 3% का एक candle है अच्छा खासा. And once we go on a hourly chart, on this hourly chart, let me get back my drawings. This was the range that we discussed in last week. The bias was never bearish. Again, I keep on marking the highs and lows for you. Like this intraday low of 18 June is important. I kept on messaging, I kept on hammering this even during the daily notes as well. Now you have to understand, we have to trade from a substantial low to a substantial high. So a trading will always be governed by an important higher low to an important higher high. So whatever happens in between will still be a challenge how you are going to trade based on your setup, based on your trading strategy, but still you have to map a move from a lower level to a higher level. At least that should be the goal of any professional trader. Now the high is changed, so let me just configure it to a different level. So this is a new high right now, 16,349. Now this high will be important as long as it is not taken out. जब ये निकल जाएगा, then we'll get a new high. But right now I feel this 16,300 has a lot more crucial role to play, and market may consolidate, or we may see some amount of profit booking before we go in for a new high. So let us see how the session by session action pans out in coming week. In this particular week, as for Nifty, the target or the range that we are going to talk is around 16,300 and 16,000. Right? So this is a range that I am expecting in this particular week. Let's see how the Nifty or the market is obliging to our expectation, and let's take it forward. So every day, again, whatever my view is, I'm going to update on Twitter. So you can just check that with the same handle growth module, and that will be helpful for many of you. After Nifty's analysis study, we expect Nifty to remain in this range for this coming week. There is no specific target because right now I do not have a bullish or a bearish bias. We still need to have a confirmation from Nifty and Bank Nifty. In coming days, we might get some confirmation. As for Bank Nifty, as you can see, this is a weekly chart. I am going on to hourly chart now. Now on this hourly chart, again, this was one important low. From this level to this high we were trading, and all this while I was mentioning that low, this low is important. Unless and until it is broken, the bias is going to be bullish. So abhi, now we have got this high. This is a new high that we have got in case of Bank Nifty. We got these targets got completed for Bank Nifty once it broke out of the range. So right now the range for Bank Nifty is going to be 36,000 and 35,500. Okay, so this is the range, a pretty narrow kind of a range for Bank Nifty, and we should see a decisive move, and that decisive move is going to tell us what is there in store in these indices. As for Bank Nifty, we have already got a lower high which actually prompted a beautiful trade yesterday, but now today it is just consolidating. So again, it is essential, if it breaks above this range, then we may see a new high. That is also a possibility. But if we stay in the range and broke on the lower aspect, then there will be certainly a profit booking phase, right? Right now, I do not have anything which is here by which I can calculate the targets. So let us not get into targets. Let's stick to the range part of it. That's it for this particular week. While you are trading in options, guys, just keep in mind, if you do not have a momentum on your side, then you should avoid options buying. And on all such occasions, options selling is actually more profitable than options buying. So just keep this in mind. Whatever strategy you apply, whatever you have learned from the market or your mentors, keep on following all those things, but you have to have a view to trade successfully in market. Just keep that in mind and have a pleasant week ahead. All the best.